Welcome aboard our unforgettable 4-night Royal Caribbean cruise from Los Angeles to Ensenada, Mexico. This journey was filled with excitement, adventure, and relaxation, the perfect short getaway for travelers of all ages. Our itinerary included departing from Los Angeles, a fun day at sea, a stop in Ensenada, Mexico, another relaxing day on board, and finally returning to Los Angeles with incredible memories. From the moment we stepped into the terminal to the peaceful nights at sea, every moment brought something special. This cruise had something for everyone, from live shows and family activities to delicious dining and breathtaking ocean views. To capture the full experience, we've divided this Royal Caribbean journey into 11 parts, each highlighting a different stage of the trip. This is the 6th part of the series, Pool and Water Activities. The first thing that draws attention is the main outdoor pool, a lively open-air space perfect for soaking up ocean views while cooling off between activities. Right next to it is the kids' wave splash area, designed for non-stop fun with playful water features and shallow zones where younger cruisers can safely enjoy the action while parents relax nearby. In the same area you'll find a hot tub, ideal for unwinding after a swim, and this is just one of many hot tubs spread throughout the ship. For days when the weather isn't cooperating, Quantum of the Seas also features a large indoor pool with the same great amenities. There's also an adults-only pool area reserved for quiet relaxation. No videos here. The most exciting water attraction on board has to be the Flow Rider. This surf simulator is where guests put their skills to the test, riding endless waves as spectators cheer them on. From first-timers finding their balance to experienced riders showing off tricks. It's easily one of the most entertaining water activities on the ship. We hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to check out the playlist combining all 11 parts and click the thumbnails for similar videos.